Hello to everyone. My name is Marcus Dushimemana from the Giant Electronics Lab. Simply, I'm currently the member of the Giant Electronics Lab. The Giant Electronics Lab is an electronics applied research lab that solves society needs using embedded system technology. We educate from University of Rwanda, College of Science and Technology. So right now we are developing an electronic system called shared meter. So simply, this shared meter is composed by three energy meters in one. 3 in 1. We are developing it to solve the conflict which lies between tenants and the landlords. So to designing this system it was a complicated case. We require experienced engineers from University of Rwanda. So we started from brainstorming to low fidelity prototyping up to high fidelity prototyping, PCB design, 3D printing, all those cutting technology, we were using them. But it requires a lot of time, but we try to do it. It's like 3 months to develop it, and with the support of many people, we accomplished the task.
During the PCB design process, we used high industries softwares like Ego, where we designed PCB and we made sure that there is no noise and attenuation of any signal from the system. We really appreciate the work we did, and we can't wait to use our product.
During firmware development, we used C and C++. We also included Arduino library. This firmware allows user to view their energy, and the manager can be able to manage all users. And there is also a password for security reason, so that the only manager will be allowed to assign energy for each user. Also, the cover is designed so that it will allow our device for heat exchange, and also it will allow each user to see and navigate through online so that he can see the current energy and be prepared for future payment. Thank you.